Next slide, please. Next slide. Okay, so here I have prepared a chart. You can argue on this table. I have given POs. Then what does the PO do? The description I have given in the next column. The third column I have also mentioned RBT level, that is revised Bloom's taxonomy level. Okay. If you see this PO01, so how do I remember? I have mentioned this many times in the meetings. I remember it as Kadi, Meet, Tommy. So Kadi, K, knowledge, A, analysis, D, design, I, investigation. Kadi, Meet is modern tool usage, engineer, then environment, ethics, T. So Kadi, Meet, Tommy, teamwork, communication, O, project management, M, I, lifelong learning. Okay, there was some other suggestion from our college. So this is how I remember the 12 POs. Kadi, Meet, Tommy. The first PO1 is knowledge, engineering knowledge, which is apply. In that PO itself will say apply engineering knowledge. Analysis is K4. Design is K6 or create. It will go to create. P4 investigation analysis. P5 modern tool usage you are creating. Sometimes modern tool usage can be K5 also. So it is K6 and K5. What is K5? K5 is evaluate. So you can use a modern tool, use ANSYS to evaluate. Like that you can say. So modern tool usage can be K6. Minimum case can be K5. Okay, so PO3, but PO3 is a design part. PO4 investigate, so it will go to analysis. PO5 modern tool usage, yeah, that's what we want to tell. It can be a 5 also, worst case, but typically it is a 6 create. Engineer and society, it is application. Sometimes you can understand, like in engineering ethics and sustainability, you can use sometimes, not always, you can use understand. Okay, but you are not able to do an evaluation. So in this case, the student does a minor project. Okay, minor project, the student, you can say weekly mapped is either 2 or 1 mapping you can use understand, and strong mapping you can use apply. Okay, so you can use a low level mapping 1 or you can 2, but please use it very judiciously, not for all and sundry. Okay, very rarely. Full-fledged theory subject. Okay, there only you can use, but there also you can ask the students to prepare a minor project or prepare a social immersion project. There you say weekly mapped, 1 level, 2 level, but never 3 level to the concerned PO. Apply, you can put level 3. Okay, better to avoid. The worst case scenario only I am talking. Ethics K3 is apply. Worst case scenario, we are all using only application in ethics. Then individuality, teamwork is application, communication is application, project management is application, lifelong learning is application. All three will come under K3 level only. Okay, so now we go to the next slide, then we'll again come back to this. Okay, please go to the next slide, which is, so far in this mapping between POs and Bloom's taxonomy level, where is K1 and K2? There is no K1 and K2. So if you are telling in your question paper, if you are telling in your question paper CO1, K1, CO2 maps to K2, you cannot use it for mapping with the PO. Now previous slide, previously. So here, now you see, nowhere there is K1, K2. So in your question paper, you should avoid K1 and K2 in all aspects. If I'm avoiding K1 and K2, you will also avoid those words, understand, explain those things also. Okay, this is in wholesome. That's what I want to tell. Next slide, next slide, next slide. Two more slides. So answer is no, it is not there. So avoid, remember, understand, please. And those verbs that go with remember and understand. Okay, next slide. That's it. Thank you so much.